On trading platforms like Plus500, you'll often hear the term margin come up. It can sound a little technical, but the concept is pretty straightforward once you break it down. Margin is essentially the amount of money you need to set aside in your account in order to open and maintain a leveraged position. In other words, it's a kind of security deposit that ensures you can cover potential losses. Here's how it works. Plus500 allows you to trade using leverage, which means you can control a larger position in the market with only a fraction of the total value. Let's say you want to open a position worth $1,000. If the required margin is 10%, you only need $100 in your account to open that trade. The platform lends you the rest through leverage, giving you the opportunity to amplify gains, but also the risk of amplifying losses. There are two main types of margin to keep in mind. The first is the initial margin, which is the amount you need to have available when you open the trade. The second is the maintenance margin. This comes into play after your trade is open. If the market moves against you and your account balance falls too close to the maintenance margin level, Plus500 may issue what's called a margin call. If you don't add more funds or close positions, the platform could automatically close your trade to prevent your account from going negative. Margin, then, is not a fee you pay. It's capital you set aside to support leveraged trading. It's what makes trading with smaller amounts possible, but it also requires careful attention. Because while margin opens the door to bigger opportunities, it also increases the speed and scale at which losses can occur. So when you see margin on Plus500, think of it as the money you must have available to keep your position alive. It's a fundamental part of how leveraged trading works, and understanding it is key to managing both the opportunities and the risks that come with trading on margin. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on the heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.